Hello guys, we are Group 1 from 1A Asset Management Politeknik Negeri Bandung. The leader of this group, it's me, Ghifari. And the members are Davina,
Hi, I'm Davina.
Dininta,
Hi guys, I'm Dininta.
Nabila,
Hi guys, I am Nabila.
Shiva,
Hi, I'm Siva.
and Sabita.
Hi, I'm Sabita.
In this video, we are going to help you how to make a simple introduction. So let's get into the topic.
What is the meaning of the introduction? An introduction is an expression about how we introduce ourselves to others or to introduce people to each other. This is used when you meet new friends, when you work at a new place and you have to introduce yourself there, or when you have to introduce someone to others. Then, why we have to learn this? Is it so important? Yes, of course, you have to be able to make a good introduction, because when you can do it properly, we will have a good first impression from them and we can communicate well with them. So, there are tips or explanations on how to do good introductions. And the next thing we will discuss is about common ways to introduce yourself. These expressions sound a little more natural to introduce yourself. Make sure you pay attention to your tone so that you sound friendly. Hi, I'm Dininta. What is your name? Hi there, my name is Davina. What is yours? I don't think we've met. I'm Ghifari. I don't believe we've met before. My name is Sabita. Have we met? I'm Shiva. I think I've seen you around, but we haven't officially met. I'm Nabila. And don't forget to say nice to meet you after the other person says his or her name.
For example, hello, are you new here?
Yes,
What's your name anyway?
I'm Nabila. What's yours?
Davina, but everybody calls me Dav.
I'm sorry. Can you spell it?
Okay. D-A-V-I-N-A. Davina.
Oh, thanks, Davina. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Introducing people to each other. At any social event, you are probably going to introduce other people to each other and talk with more than one person at a time, which makes conversation much more interesting. Here are some good ways to introduce to people who haven't met. I'd like you to meet. This is, I'd like to introduce you to. Have you met? For example,
Ghifari, let me introduce you to Shiva. And Shiva, this is Mr. Ghifari of I Am Entertainment in Indonesia.
Pleasure to meet you.
good to meet you too.
Shiva works for our company. She is responsible for marketing.
When meeting someone new, we usually stick to very basic conversation topics until we get to know the person better. While you may want to learn a lot about an interesting person, you need to be careful not to ask too many person questions the first time you meet. Oh, don't forget, in the United States, it's rude to ask how old are you, because age is not a common topic of conversation with people you have just met. American is well known for almost always asking these three questions. What do you for work? Where did you go to school? This question means what college or university did you attend? And the last, what brings you to blah 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 this event or this party? In general, people will ask you about work or school as soon as they meet you. They may ask, what brings you here? To find out more about you without being too direct. There are also some topics that you should avoid as they are sensitive and a bit hard, such as physical appearance, like, wow, you've gained weight, marriage or children, and the most sensitive is religion. While it may be natural for you to ask friends or relatives about religion, this may be a problem when talking to native English speakers. Instead, it's better to refer to a general question such as, did you have a good Eid? Or how was your Christmas holiday? The most important thing from the conversation, The K is don't forget to smile.
At the beginning of the video, you have learned the definition of introduction, then common ways to introduce yourself, and the third is introducing people to each other, and previously small talk topics. Now we understand conversation topics so that your meeting is not awkward. Conversation topics. You can continue the conversation by asking him or her more general question. Here are some basic questions to start with. 1. What do you like to do? 2. What do you like to do outside of work or school? 3. What kinds of things interest you? 4. What kinds of things do you do in your free time? And 5. Do you like or watch or follow any sport or TV series?
Deciding to continue or end the conversation. After you talk for a while, you may want to continue the conversation and can ask for more details about their work, studies, or interests. But if you don't want to continue talking, you should end the conversation politely. When you know it's time to end a conversation, first, you're bored. Second, they look bored. Third, someone or something interrupts. Fourth, you are speechless. Fifth, you or they start repeating. And lastly, you need to rest. And here are some examples of sentences you can use to end the conversation politely. For example, it was nice to meet you. See you later. There is someone I want to say hi.
Another useful questions. And here are other useful questions you can use, such as, what's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been away from home? What do you do? Where are you currently? Where are you going? What has been memorable for you so far?
Dialogue about the introduction. Today is the first day at school for Dininta. He meets Sabita. Then they introduce each other.
Good morning. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Dininta.
Good morning. My name is Sabita. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. We are in the same class, right? I saw your name in the student list of my class.
Yeah, right. By the way, what book is that?
This is a book about cooking.
Oh, so you like cooking? I like cooking too.
Really? Good. So I have a friend to share with. Anyway, I must go now. Can we continue our conversation over lunch?
Yeah, sure. See you later.
Let's practice. In this section, you will practice introducing yourself to me. There will be a text for the conversation. Let's start the conversation with you, and I will answer your question. Hi, my name is Davina, but everybody calls me Dav. Okay. D A V I N A. Davina. Nice to meet you too.
After learning about how to make a simple introduction, now you guys can practice what you have learned from this video to other people, such as your new friends, co-workers, lecturers, teachers, or any new person out there. You can check out other videos about learning English on this channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.